Davis, come here, pal. You ready? Come here, let's light this.
He's good right here.
Alright, when I light it, you run. Run! Count them, you ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Get another one.
Hey, Davis.
Hey, look at Mommy. She's talking to you.
Hey, how old are you?
2. Taking a picture.
Yeah. What are you doing right now? Are you setting off fireworks?
Are you doing 5? 1,
2.